I'm 55. When I become a grandma, I don't want to be that person that's just sitting in a chair. I want to be fun. I want to be the one that goes for the hike. I want to go on the walks with Coda, our dog. And I want to be more energetic. I reached out to Fit Flavors and they got me in touch with Allison. And from the first conversation that I had with her, it was an instant connection. She took the time to find out, what did Sheri need? What did I need out of this? And people don't do that often. And then when you find somebody that truly cares, I appreciate it deeply. I feel great. I wake up in the morning and I'm not already tired. It's not a diet. It's teaching you how to have a good relationship with food and how you can have that into your day-to-day life. I love to cook now, and she's given me recipes, but I also, when time constraints, that Fit Flavors is it's a godsend. You just pop it in the microwave and it just gets you through, and that's amazing. And it tastes great. It's working, and I can't express it enough. If anyone's ever thinking about doing it, you need to try it because it's life-changing.